It is National Physician's Assistant Day today. And how about this? How about we stay in the world of medicine and talk to a medical technician? Right now, it's our friend Andrew Reinhardt from Valley View Medical Clinic. Hey, Andrew, how are you?
I am doing well. How are you today?
We are doing great. We want to tell everybody about Valley View Medical Clinic located over in Pleasant Hill, right off the bypass, and some incredible things that you guys are doing.
Yes, we are helping men with a very sensitive topic, that is erectile dysfunction, but we're taking all the negatives out of treating it, that is the pill. We use the most advanced form of something called acoustic wave therapy. This technology puts out pressure waves, which gently open up and regrow blood vessels. It has been clinically proven to get rid of the erectile dysfunction and get the blood flowing where you want it, when you want it.
All right, you said open up the blood vessels and help regrow the blood vessels. Why are these blood vessels failing in the first place?
Well, there's a lot of things that can contribute to that. Diabetes, prostate issues, but it's normal as we age. The blood vessels get restricted. That leads to less blood flow, and that can create erectile dysfunction.
You said normal as we age. What age are we talking about here where this is most common?
Well, I would say it's most common in aging gentlemen, but we treat younger men, 20s, 30s, and 40s, every week. We treat men in their 80s and 90s every week. You are far more normal than you think if you're suffering with ED.
Really? Yeah. So is it more the norm than it is the exception?
I think so. I think there's a lot of men suffering in silence, also not doing anything about the problem.
Yeah, because guys don't want to talk about that, right?
Yeah, there's a little bit of a stigma. Men are embarrassed. That's the worst thing you can do, is nothing at all, because the relationship is what suffers.
Right. Now, you want to get treated for this. You have a unique process, and you mentioned the acoustic waves, and I believe we have a little demonstration of what it kind of looks like and how they open up the waves here. Look at this as it goes through, and you see the blood flowing through the veins there and the arteries, and that is key. And how long does the treatment take? That's one of the questions that was asked.
Well, it's not invasive. That's the first thing I'd say. It's a 10-minute session. You come into the clinic. It's done on top of the skin. The Cambridge University study said that a man needs a few treatments over 2 to 3 weeks. That is it. That's the whole process.
And how soon after you get your treatments are you going to be able to see some results?
Oh, you will progress as you go. Men tell us over and over again, I got a treatment. Things got better in the bedroom, and they progressively got better. So it has been described as a fun process by some.
Okay, so you say no pills, no needles, you're not going to have surgery, this is non-invasive, and you can do it, again, a session takes, what, 10, 15 minutes?
That's exactly right. We call it a lunch break treatment because men come in on their lunch break and they leave feeling totally normal. There's no recovery time whatsoever.
All right, so this is pretty cool, but you also have something pretty cool, a special offer we want to make sure everybody is very aware of at the same time.
Yes, if you are struggling with ED, if you're sick of pills and want to regain that love life, call us during this segment. You'll qualify for the assessment, exam, and blood flow ultrasound at no charge, and a gift that produces powerful results in the bedroom. I don't think I've ever seen it fail. This is worth hundreds of dollars. If you call us now, it's all free.
Okay, now the best way to get a hold of you is just give you a call. You see the number on the screen there, folks, 515 area code, because we did mention it is over in Pleasant Hill, 300-5555. You can also jump on the website, too, to get some more information, just valleyviewmedicalclinic.com. But it is really super simple. We mentioned the bypass. You're about a block off the bypass, east of the bypass, over on the east side of town. And it's just some of the results that you've had, you know, over the past, Andrew, you say that nothing short of remarkable.
Yes, patients tell us time and time again how the relationship in some cases has been saved. The intimacy has been restored. The stress melts away when you don't have to rely on the pill any longer.
All right, so if people want to get a hold of you, they get a hold of you today. Can they get in short order to get things taken care of?
They can. We're actually open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, longer hours, so we can get you in, get you started quickly.
All right. That number again, it's 515 area code, then 300-300, and then 5555. And Andrew, do they need to say anything special to get the special offer you just talked about, or the person they're talking to will know about it?
We are ready, answering phones right now. We'll be prepared to honor that special offer.
All right, Andrew, well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And we will talk to you next time and get folks and get guys the help that they really need in a way that they will get incredible results. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.